The 2026 BMW X9 isn't just another luxury SUV, it's BMW's boldest statement yet. A full-size flagship built to challenge Range Rover, GLS, and Escalade, but with a level of comfort and technology you truly need to feel to believe. Today, we're exploring the new BMW X9 and the luxury experience that even BMW didn't hype enough. Welcome back to MotoDrive Garage, where performance meets precision. And today, the spotlight is on the all-new 2026 BMW X9, the largest and most luxurious SUV BMW has ever created. By the end of this video, you'll understand why the X9 isn't just a step above the X7, it's in a completely different class. The 2026 BMW X9 is massive, but every inch is sculpted with purpose. The oversized illuminated kidney grille, slim laser light LED DRLs, and a floating taillight bar give it a futuristic, commanding presence. BMW uses active aerodynamic shutters, hidden airflow channels, and a smooth underbody to keep this SUV efficient and stable despite its size. It looks bold, but it also looks beautifully intentional. The X9 may be a luxury flagship, but BMW refuses to compromise on performance. You get two powertrain options: a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 hybrid producing around 630 horsepower, and a pure M-performance plug-in hybrid making nearly 700 horsepower. With instant electric torque, the X9 launches from 0 to 60 in under 4.3 seconds, shocking for a vehicle this size. The adaptive air suspension constantly scans the road, adjusting damping in milliseconds. BMW has blended luxury with sharp athleticism in a way that only BMW knows how. Step inside, and the X9 feels more like a rolling luxury suite. The cabin uses crystal elements, floating glass panels, premium leather, and real wood trims crafted with laser-etched textures. Rear passengers get executive lounge seats with full recline, ventilation, massage programs, and pillow headrests. It's not just luxury, it's sensory luxury. The X9 showcases BMW's newest digital cockpit with a massive curved OLED panel stretching from the instrument cluster to the central display. An 8K rear cinema screen folds down for passengers, creating a true home theater experience. The augmented reality head-up display overlays navigation directly on the road. And with BMW's latest OS X software, everything feels faster, smarter, and more customizable. This is digital luxury at its finest. The air suspension can lower the X9 for easier entry or raise it for uneven terrain. Active body control minimizes body roll, while noise-canceling tech keeps the cabin whisper quiet. Even at highway speeds, the X9 feels like it's floating, silent, poised, and effortlessly stable. BMW hid a few surprises inside the X9. Quiet mode shuts off rear screens, dims lights, and softens throttle for calm chauffeured drives. Scent Wave System 2.0 with replaceable luxury fragrances. Adaptive cushion softening micro-adjust seat padding based on pressure points. These aren't gimmicks, they elevate the luxury experience. The X9 features BMW's latest highway pilot system, capable of hands-free driving at certain speeds on mapped highways. 360-degree radar and LiDAR provide precise lane detection, blind spot awareness, and emergency avoidance. It's the most advanced safety suite BMW has ever used. Despite being ultra-luxurious, the X9 remains practical. You get massive cargo room, flexible seating configurations, and third-row space designed for adults, not just kids. It's a luxury mansion with real-world usability. Most full-size luxury SUVs force a compromise, but the BMW X9 doesn't. It's fast, yet refined. Massive, yet graceful. High-tech, yet warm and inviting. This SUV is the purest expression of modern BMW philosophy. So is the 2026 BMW X9 worth the hype? Absolutely. It's a luxury experience even BMW wasn't known for until now. If you want power, presence, and next-level comfort, the X9 isn't just a contender. It might be the new king of luxury SUVs. Which feature impressed you the most? Drop your thoughts below, hit like for more luxury deep dives, and subscribe to MotoDrive Garage. See you in the next drive.